What's up, YouTube.com? Quick video here. I'm going to try to talk about a tip I can think of, or I thought of today, and that's going to be imposing self rules. Um, so I think a lot of people, or at least I used to think this way when I was younger, is that rules limited you, and through that limitation, you are denied freedoms. So then, therefore, you don't have as many opportunities, you don't have as much. Yeah, opportunity. Okay, so that's probably a good way to put it. So I would like to challenge the viewer um, to reconsider that because I recently, in the last year or two, have understood now that rules are limitations make opportunities. So rules actually create. When you make a rule, you create more happens. Okay, so one example of this is like I am restricted on my time because I'm a father. I have a 40-hour job, 40-hour full time. Sometimes longer than that. Sometimes they have me work 50 hours a week, whatever. So then I was like, I would never have time to make content. But then I, in those real world rules that were limiters put on me, I was able to then optimize my time to then get up in the morning at 3 a.m. and then work from 3 to 6:45 and get to the point where I'm making at most 11 videos, but at least like three to 11 videos every morning. Um, so with that being said, I was able to produce more than I've ever been able to produce since I started about a year ago. Like I've been making YouTube content for about a year overall, and I couldn't even get one video that was up to my standard done in an entire day when I've had all the freedom on a weekend day that I could have. You know, no distractions, nobody was bothering me, no kids, no work, nothing going on. And I struggled very hard to make a video with no rules. But then as rules were imposed, I was able to produce more. So that's one example. The next segment, then the next step there is that like life gives you rules to train you. I feel, with like a job, you have this much time during a day before the sun goes down. You have all these different cycles that interlap, and they kind of tell you how you can organize your day or whatever, or some other stuff. But the thing is like what I learned, or the thing I learned from those cycles is that like life creates cycles, and that tells you what you can do or whatever, rules. But then the other part of that is that like when I impose rules on myself, they also increased my output. I was able to create systems. So, for instance, my main rule is called down the list reset, which is it's very simple. It's a simple rule. I have 20 channels I produce content for. So then it's like, how do you even begin? Well, it's like, well, step one would be like my first rule, down the list and reset. So essentially, what it is just a rule, a law, a self law that I follow to the key. And from following this rule, I've been able to produce 26 videos in one day. Whatever you want to talk about the quality or not, the sheer volume of the types of videos I made speak for itself in terms of production. If I was a better producer, 26 videos. I'm limited by my ability to produce through my experience, which is about a year of making content. So whatever that means, you know what I mean? But I was able to produce 26 videos in one day, and that was using a simple rule called down the list reset. And that is, I know I'm repeating myself a bunch, but I don't really care. This is my format of my videos. It is essentially you start at the top, you make a video, get it done, then you move down the list. And in doing this, the reset part is when the sun goes down and I go to sleep and I have a dream or something along the lines of that, and I start a new day, I start over no matter what. So then also then how what that ended up turning into is that like the channel that I wanted to favor and give like favoritism to, the one that's performing the best with 349 subs and does like 100 views a day or whatever, my best chance of getting monetized or whatever. I wanted to give special treatment to that one, and then I wanted to give special treatment to my other channel, which is 163 subs with about 2,500 watch hours or whatever. And then, you know what I mean? I wanted to do favoritism based on which one's performing the best. But when I did that, I never got to the other channels I'm trying to get off the ground. But with my rule, down the list reset, you have to do it. It turned into a motivator to get other videos done because I really, really, in the back of my mind, wanted to get to the other channels that are performing the best, which is 4 down from my first channel, 4 videos down, so I have to make 3 videos before I can get to the first video I actually want to make, and then I have to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more videos done before I can get to my main channel that I really want to make content for. And then there's one at the end of the list, which is my third best performing channel, which I would prioritize that. And it is down all the way almost to the bottom. And then I have a dream channel called Bushcraft that I want to, John McGarrett's Bushcraft, that I really want to make content for. But if I want to get to that point, I need to be able to learn how to make 19 other videos per day. So that's just the self-rule rule. And if you can create self-rules and limiting yourself through imposing rules upon yourself, that would help, it's going to be different for everybody's experience. So I don't know what else to suggest for people and stuff like that, except for to try out a rule, like make 1 video a day, make 1 video a week. I would say a day. I always prefer a day. Daily cycles are better because you go to sleep, you wake up, you restart the goal. Go to sleep, wake, maybe not 1 video, but I'm going to work on it for 1 hour a day, 5 minutes a day. And then every day I'm going to add a minute to that. So I'm going to do 5 minutes my first day, 6 minutes my next day, 7 minutes the next day. So that, like, you know what I mean? Like little rules like that, you impose self rules. And this is a lot from Naruto with Might Guy or whatever. If you have self rules and you can just stick with it and like have a rule, so that's going to build confidence in yourself. So when you say something, you're going to have a higher chance of following through with it. So you'll have confidence in yourself. So that's my tip for the day. I'll see you later. Bye. Maybe that'll be the series. Tip of the day. See you later. See you later. Subscribe. Oh, fuck. I completely forgot. I'm starting a Discord for coaching, one-on-one coaching. One of the things I want to do with my YouTube journey is everything that everybody else is charging hundreds or thousands of dollars for. I want to get to the point where I'm giving that away for free, and that includes like one-on-one coaching. I mean, that may change over time, maybe in a decade or something, if I'm like actually worth money. Which I mean, I think I'm technically worth money. It's just, who knows? You know what I mean? I don't know what to price it at, but I would like to coach people. So the link's going to be in the Discord down below, whatever, one-on-one coaching sessions or just chatting it up, just building a community of other YouTubers. It's going to be down in the link below. Please subscribe.